Hello viewers. In this video today, we're going to talk about the top 5 best embroidery machines available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Considering as best embroidery machine for their quality, features, and values, we have narrowed them down for the best possible choice you can make. For more information and updated pricing about the product, do check the given links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best embroidery machine reviews, consumer ratings and reports. Number 5. Singer Legacy SE300 Portable Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The product incorporates 200 designs of embroidery. There are 6 different letter fonts, which can be used for monogramming. To help you with the creation of designs, an LCD touchscreen has been installed on the machine. This is an automatic needle threader sewing machine. Number 4. Genome MemoryCraft 400E Embroidery Machine. The embroidery size of this machine is 7.9 x 7.9, which is the maximum on this list. The machine features an extra wide table to help you work on a large working area. You will get around 160 embroidery designs in this machine for you to try. There are 6 different fonts, which can be used for monogramming. This embroidery machine is incredibly fast, i.e., 860 stitches per minute. Number 3. Brother Sewing Embroidery Machine SE1900. The SE1900 comes with 138 built-in designs and 11 embroidery fonts perfect for monogramming. Advanced needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This features 240 built-in sewing stitches including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. Preview your designs and browse editing options on the large full-color, 3.2-inch LCD touchscreen display. Number 2. Brother PE800 Embroidery Machine. Featuring 138 built-in embroidery designs including scrollwork, florals, and quilt patterns. The PE800 has numerous options to allow your creativity to flourish. It has a USB port that allows you to import your embroidery designs into your machine's built-in memory. The large 3.2-inch LCD color touchscreen allows you to preview your designs before embroidering. 5 inches by 7 inches embroidery field. Number 1. Brother SE600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. The SE600 comes with 80 built-in designs and 6 embroidery lettering fonts for personalizing your projects. It has an automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin. This machine features 103 sewing stitches, including 10 styles of auto-size buttonholes. This one features a large 3.2 LCD color touchscreen allowing you to preview your designs before stitching. This computerized combo machine is built with a 4 inches by 4 inches embroidery field with an included hoop, embroidery arm, and 7 sewing feet. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And, remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next videos.